Hey guys, small project today. We're going to be installing some L-track, airline track, on the side of the van here. So this is going to serve as like a gear tie down, and in addition, my daughter's bed will be suspended from a portion of the L-track. So I've mounted up a piece of wood to hold the L-track in place, decided where I wanted to install PlusNuts. So now I just need to drill out the L-track for the spacing I have set here. I bought the undrilled L-track because normally there's a hole every 4 inches, and that's way overkill for what I need. So I didn't want a bunch of unused holes. So I'm having to drill it myself. So I've set up the drill press. I've put a large bit in just to help me align it with the holes. And once I've got it aligned and set, switching over to my drilling bit. Now I need to countersink my bolts, because if I don't, they won't sit flush. So I'm using a countersink bit. Now our bolt sits nice and flush. Alright guys, I'm getting a little bit smarter about this as I go. So what I'm finding works well is I have a board clamped to the wall where I want it to align this in the position that I want it in. And then I put a 1/2 inch piece of wood back in here, clamp that to this to keep this in the right orientation. And then what I'm doing, as you saw, we pre-drilled the rail, so we already have holes in the rail. And then what I'm doing is going in and drilling out the holes in the van with the rail in place. And every time I drill a new hole, I just shove a bolt in. And that will just help ensure that we're staying in alignment the whole time, because we don't have a lot of wiggle room. Once we get PlusNuts in the wall, they need to be pretty much in the exact position. So I just finished this hole. Now I'll move down here. Always use a stop collar, as I always talk about, so that you don't punch through the outside of the van. So we're all aligned. Drill a new hole. I put magnets behind the wall where I'm drilling, and one in front to try and capture any of the shaving. And now we just need to step up to our final size, because the last drill bit was the same size as the hole in the aluminum, and now we need to go up one more size for the PlusNut to fit. fighting darkness here a bit, but got all the PlusNuts installed. Time to mount the rail. We've got great alignment the whole length of the rail. Well guys, I don't think that could have gone any better. Every one of those aligned perfectly and had no trouble getting the bolts in, which is exactly what you want.